Hello, my name is Apostle Joshua TALENA, the senior pastor of the Shepherd's House Assembly International in Abuja, Nigeria. I want to use this opportunity to appreciate and to celebrate a dangerous, brutal, sarcastic, full of divine litmus acid prophet of God in the person of Apostle Professor Johnson Suleiman. A big happy birthday. I want you to know that this day that the Lord have set apart, that a general like you should be born into the world to bring impact and revolution to your generation. We love you here in the Shepherd's House unconditionally. We want to thank God for what God is using you to do around the world. We want to thank God for the souls that you have affected, impacted, and transformed through the preaching of God's word in your mouth. I want to say to you, Apostle, the best is yet to come. You are an enigma. You are a puzzle. I'm telling you, you are going to pioneer one of the end-time move of God in these last days. I believe in you and what you exist to accomplish. And today the Lord have added another year to your life. I want to say to you, happy birthday, and everyone around the world, all friends to this great ministry, all members of the Omega Fire Ministry, all of us, let's join hands together and wish this great general of God, this 5-star general, a happy birthday. Apostle, we love you. Myself, my wife, my kids, and the Shepherd's House love you unconditionally. God bless you.